Hello, everyone. My name is Dylan Areno. I'm a product manager for distribution here at GitLab. Today, I'm going to be giving our kickoff for our 14.3 release. This is our scheduling issue for 14.3 and a little different than usual. Usually we have work in progress from the previous milestone at the top. This time, however, we will be prioritizing SaaS reliability first. This is an initiative for Q3 product-wide here at GitLab, where we are prioritizing our SaaS business and the reliability of our infrastructure. So we do not have any specific issues here on distribution related to SaaS reliability, at least right now. But if any pop up, we plan to prioritize that number one over any other issues, just because that's an important product priority for us for Q3, as I mentioned. The next one, like I said, work in progress from last milestone, which I don't believe there's anything right now. And then moving on to the most exciting piece, which is our operator GA. This is the milestone we plan to GA the operator. So in 14.3, at the end of the milestone, we plan to have the operator ready for GA release. And so the couple pieces that need to be wrapped up are related to all production ready components of the GitLab chart. So we want to be in parity with any production element of the chart with the GitLab operator. And so you can see the final couple that we've got scheduled for 14.3 here. They're all controllers related to those features. So deploying to mailroom, supporting our Kubernetes agent server, external object storage, and GitLab pages. Those are a couple things we need to wrap up here related to production ready components. The next one is the automation of the operator release process. So we want to wrap up a couple items related to making sure that we can release the operator in an automated fashion in parity with any new release that we do for, the chart or Omnibus. So these are the couple big ones. There's more issues that we're going to be working on related to the operator, but I would say these are the big ones related to GA. And jumping back to scheduling issue, I've got a product priority here related to FIPS compliance. FIPS is basically a security requirement for the US government, and this is a priority for us. We've got a lot of public sector clients that are interested in us being FIPS compliant. So we are pursuing that compliance. And one of, a couple of the teams that are associated with this, we are included as distribution. So this time we are going to be working on Omnibus FIPS compliance. That's one of the first things that we want to be compliant. We will have a cloud native FIPS compliance very soon after Omnibus, but we're just choosing to tackle Omnibus first. So a couple of those issues are outlined here, and that's one of the big product priorities for us after making sure the operator gets GA'd. And then finally, another product priority that we have here is kind of exploring new markets, is seeing how we can support running GitLab for Linux on Z. So we have a research spike issue here to understand what would all go into the engineering effort needed to support that. And ultimately after that, we'll make a decision based on what we come up with on that research spike. So that kind of rounds out everything else. And as always, we continue to want to prioritize tech debt. So we have a couple tech debt issues mixed in, but if other priorities pop up, those ultimately fall off the table. But we've been doing a great job of prioritizing tech debt, at least a couple issues every milestone. So thank you very much. That is our release for 14.3, and we're excited to give it to you. Thanks.